Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall Microsoft Store. So if you are facing that your Microsoft Store is not working properly, how you can reinstall it. So if your Microsoft Store app is missing, like in my case, or it's not really working, you can easily reinstall it to fix your issue. Simply tap on your search bar, and when you are here you can tap on this search bar now and run PowerShell as administrator. Type in wsreset.I and you have to click enter here in this window. And when you done this, the above command initiates the installation, which continues in the background and may take 5 to 10 minutes. You can check on the progress in the action notification center. There will be a notification that it's working in the background. Now you can minimize it successfully. The Microsoft tab is back on your PC and you should be good to go. So now if you open your Microsoft Store, your problem will be fixed. You may need to update the store if it hasn't done in already. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.